Did you know that coaxial cables, once the backbone of television broadcasting, still play a vital role in today's tech landscape? Let's unravel their surprising relevance in our modern world. Coaxial cables have a rich history dating back to the 19th century, patented by Oliver Heaviside in 1880. They revolutionized telegraph, telephone, and television transmissions, becoming essential for cable TV systems worldwide. However, with the rise of fiber optics and wireless technology, coaxial cables have seen a decline in mainstream networking. Their bandwidth limitations and installation challenges push them out of the spotlight. But coaxial cables aren't obsolete. They excel in niche applications like cable TV, short-distance high-bandwidth connections, and radio frequency transmission. Coaxial cables offer resistance to electromagnetic interference, durability, and cost-effectiveness. They support Power-over-Coax technology, simplifying installations for devices like security cameras, making them invaluable in specific scenarios. At Circuit Assembly, we understand the enduring value of coaxial cables. Their adaptability ensures they remain relevant. For more on custom cable solutions, like and subscribe to our channel.